Tapos wag masyadong mababa. Flash natin dito yung konti yung muffler. Nagtutupi ba tayo rito? Hindi na siguro. Tingnan natin, ha? Alam nyo po ba yung mga client natin ito all the way from Cagayan? So nagulat ako, tumawag sila sa akin kahapon, "Sir, nandito kami sa Manila. Gusto namin mag-avail ng services nyo." Sabi ko, sige, at kami mga taga-Cagayan pa. So, ang laking pasasalamat sa mga taong nagbibigay ng effort at pinili ang Nitro Fish Garage para paggawa ng exhaust nila. So, meaning, nakakapagtanim kami ng tiwala sa tao at yung mga ginagawa namin dito, nakakarating sa mga malalayong lugar.
Everybody wanna see me stop. Breaking down walls, no sheetrock. Hot boy steaming off top like teapots. Ay. Yeah, y'all want smoke, then get hit with a detox. Coast to coast, been a pro, shoot knee locks. Y'all don't rap, the bars weak, those cheap shots. Good, I came through blazing. Call me Kanye, West Craven. Been a villain, I don't need no praising. No cape, I don't do no saving.
Sa mga followers sa Nitro Fish Garage, nandito naman tayo sa shop natin sa Cavite. This is Kuya Ron. Medyo maaraw ngayon, so ilang araw ng mga kulimlim. So medyo nagbago yung klima natin. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na. Nagsisimula na ulit umaraw. So nagsisimula na naman tayo rin sa Nitro Fish Mapuno. So ang gagawin natin sa araw na to, itong Toyota Vios. So ang gagawin natin dito, actually cutback lang. Sabi nila bossing, pampamilya yung kotse, hindi namin palalakasin pa. So ang gusto namin, magkaroon lang siya ng tunog at identity. So cutback exhaust ang gagawin natin dito. Pagka cutback, nagsisimula tayo rito. Okay? Ang Vios, dalawa ang catalytic, isang primary, isang secondary. Yung secondary, tatanggalin na natin siya. We will improve the pipe size to 1.75, which is good for Vios. Tapos, etong malaking resonator na to, ito ang trabaho kasi nito, patahimikin yung exhaust natin. So, itong malaki na to, gagawin na natin mas maliit. Mga 12 inches lang yung size. We will use G5 resonator, yung ginagamit natin sa mga projects natin dito. Tapos, pagdating dito sa tulo, tinanong ko yung preference ni bossing kung anong identity ng tunog ang gusto niya. Sabi niya, miss niya medyo buo at agresibo pagka bukas niya ng sasakyan. So ang ilalagay natin, free flow muffler na medyo malaki yung canister. So yun ang project natin ngayon. Grabe to, mga taga-Cagayan na tumayo dito sa Nitro View. So maraming salamat ulit. Panoorin natin yung proseso.
Even when we was counted out, even the odds, leave it to God, even the odds. Hey, just look at what I bleed. Hey, leading the charge, team full of dogs, sinking our teeth in them, rip them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds, leave it to God, even the odds. Leading the charge, team full of dogs, sinking our teeth in them, rip them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds, leave it to God, even the odds. Hey, just look at what I bleed. Hey, leading the charge, team full of dogs, sinking our teeth in them, rip them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds, leave it to God, even the odds. Leading the charge, team full of dogs, sinking our teeth in them, rip them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds, leave it to God, even the odds.